Most mornings I ride down here. There's this beautiful trail along the Bay of Quinte. After my ride I stop here and have a thermos of tea or coffee. Do my Qigong exercises right here by the water. And then sit for a while and just kind of dangle my feet in this lovely cold water here. Great way to start a day. Good morning, Mike from the Fulcrum here. Just out and about and enjoying the morning. Had a thought that entered my head as I was pedaling around here down by the water about balance. For example, today I have to go do laundry. I got a pile about 2 weeks worth. Not a terrible job, but not real pleasant either. But I kind of thought, well, it's all about balance when you think about it. I'm out here now enjoying all this late summer, beautiful weather. It's about 84 degrees here, nice breeze blowing off the water. Sitting under the shade of a giant old maple tree. Doesn't get much better than this. So now I got to go home and do about 5 loads of laundry. I guess it's a trade-off. Maybe that's what we should do. Try and balance off the more unpleasant aspects of daily life by shoving in some really pleasant stuff before you got to do it. Then it sort of makes it all worthwhile. Anyway, as always, think clearly, breathe deep, and enjoy each day. Stay curious. Mike from the Fulcrum. As always, like and subscribe.